So I had water coming out of the handle when the shower was on. Found out it was coming out of this area right here. End up taking a channel locks or crescent wrench onto this part right here, which is the same as this part right here. Turn it counterclockwise, it unscrews. Make sure you turn your water off first. That's a bad thing if you don't. Once you unscrew this counterclockwise, it comes out of the wall, looks like this. You go to the store, buy the same exact piece. Screw that piece in clockwise, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Once it seats, feels tight, you don't have to get really up on it. It's got a rubber washer down at the end of it. That's it. Turn your water back on. Test your faucet. Make sure there's no leaks coming out of here or back in the back there. Water runs good. Put the rest of the stuff back on. Got that. Get some screws on the outside of the threads of that. Handle's fully off, pointed down. The screw back in here. Phillips screwdriver. Righty-tighty.